Hey there, John-Hooks here, and welcome to my review of RankMate. I am on my bonus page here, and to get to this from YouTube, click on the link beneath the video that says get my exclusive bonuses in RankMate here. When you click that link, you will be brought to this very page that you see in front of me. All right, and so what is RankMate? World's #1 most powerful backlink creator platform at a low one-time price. Award-winning software gets you unlimited real backlinks and free buyer traffic on autopilot with 0 monthly fees, plus guaranteed rank your site on top of Google, Yahoo, and Bing. A little bit more about the situation here. Google has stated openly that their biggest ranking factor is links that point back to your website, otherwise known as backlinks. So regardless of how good your content may be, it still won't be able to make its way to the very first page of search results if it doesn't have any links pointing back to it. Now you must be wondering, if link building is so important, why isn't everyone doing it? But in reality, a lot of people, even the top marketers, have failed to generate backlinks to their websites. They describe it as an extremely tedious and challenging task. So a message from the desk of Ganesh Saha. I have spent 12 plus successful years in digital marketing and blogging industry and served over 10,000 happy customers. With so much experience behind us, we can't tell you that high quality backlinks are the lifeblood of your website and YouTube channels. But getting these backlinks and generating traffic requires a lot of skill, talent, and time. It isn't something that everyone can do. So many people try and find help online. That's why they find expensive digital marketing services. You would have to pay at least $250 for a few backlinks, even less than 10. It isn't easy to get high quality backlinks and rank #1 on Google, Bing, or Yahoo without burning holes in your pockets. So RankMate is all you need to get unlimited high quality backlinks and real buyer traffic. It's the world's most powerful fully cloud-based backlink creator. Create unlimited backlinks for your website, blogs, and videos. Get higher ranking on Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Get unlimited real and targeted buyer traffic. Fully autopilot. Get faster indexing for all of your pages. Automatic updates with no extra installation hassles. Unlimited commercial licenses included. No limitations. Sell unlimited backlinks and services so you can make extra money. No special skills or experience required. Step-by-step training and video included. And that's not all. RankMate is packed with many more awesome features. Okay, so what is this going to cost you today? So RankMate is selling at $17, but there is a coupon code that you can use to get $3 off to get your price down to $14. Use coupon code RankMate3, all right, for that $3 off. All right, and so this gets you what we talked about earlier: backlink creation software, existing backlink finder feature, get backlinks for websites and YouTube channels, 25 other SEO server tools, never seen before website analytics tools, step-by-step training, unlimited commercial license, 100% newbie friendly, and dedicated support. Now there are a number of upsells here. Upsell #1 is the RankMate Pro for $37. You get unlimited everything, including unlimited websites, YouTube channels, unlimited website analytics reports, unlimited backlinks, 50 additional SEO and server tools from what you get on the front end, unlimited reseller license included, 24/7 ultra-fast support. Upsell #2, RankMate Agency for $47, your own admin panel, add unlimited users. You can charge any amount you want and get directly paid from PayPal, Stripe, or any other payment source that you choose. Upsell #3, RankMate Platinum for $27. Automate your website, share your channels and website on 5 big social channels, get unlimited traffic and sales with social media channels, unlimited commercial license. Upsell number 4, RankMate White Label for $97. You get to remove the RankMate branding. You add your own logo and name and add your own branding. Upsell number 5 is the RankMate Course Edition. For $67, you get to create a profit-producing e-learning platform without breaking a sweat. Create 100 Udemy-style e-learning websites. Add and sell hundreds of video courses and keep all the profits. Done for you 50-plus video course. Tap into the $335 billion industry. Seamless PayPal, Stripe, Paytm, PayU, and other integrations, for quick payments. All right. So the key features, once again, unlimited high-quality backlinks, get higher rankings, get unlimited real and related buyer traffic and sales, fully automated on autopilot, get faster indexing, automatic updates, unlimited commercial license included, no limitations, sell unlimited backlinks, no special skills or experience required, step-by-step training and videos included, $200 refund if this doesn't work for you. That's worth repeating. You get a $200 refund on a $14 product if this doesn't work for you. All right. So there is a demo video here. Bookmark this page so you can come back and watch this demo video. Now, also, you can go ahead and click any of the red banners that you've seen on my bonus page here to go ahead and secure your copy of RankMate today. And I do have some bonuses for you. So bonus number 1, Internet Marketing A to Z, getting started the right way. So if you're fairly new to Internet marketing, this is a fantastic guide for you. Not only that, this isn't just some PDF. This is a flipbook version. It's a digital download edition, and you will really like this. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you some free traffic to help you get along your way. So I'm giving you 5,000 visitors plus 2,500 text ads plus 2,500 banner impressions just for picking up RankMate today. Bonus number 3, Mayday Payday. This is a course by Dawud Islam, a top 5% internet marketer on Warrior Plus. Bonus number 4, bonus tutorial called YT Velocity. And this is unlock, set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. And then the bonuses that RankMate are offering, passing through to me to give to you when you pick up RankMate through any of my banners or links today. All right, so this is on the Warrior Plus platform. You're probably familiar with it. Once you go to your secure checkout, you'll then land on your purchase page where you'll click on the green button to access your copy of RankMate, and the blue button beneath it there are to access all of the bonuses that I'm giving to you when you pick up RankMate through my links today. Well, that is pretty much it, quick and simple. I want to go ahead and take the time to thank you for taking your time for watching this review today, and the bonuses. Don't forget the demo video, and that is it. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and find that, do that thumbs up, and find that alert bell. Thank you very much. Once again, have yourself a fantastic day, and as always, to your success.